the soft moonlight. She twirls in bubbles, she flips with flair. A rainbow of sparkles fills the air.
She loves her coral and friends so blue, always smiling and swimming through. Her name is Goldie the guppy, she's from the sea. She is for glowing and growing happy.
Gizmo the gecko climbs up the wall, sticky toes never let him fall. He blinks his eyes and grins with glee, hiding by leaves where no one can see. He loves the night when stars are bright, he hums a tune till morning light. His name is Gizmo the gecko, he's a reptile you see. She is for great and opening all gates.
Giddy the grasshopper jumps so high, over the daisies into the sky. He chirps his song through fields of green, the happiest hopper you've ever seen.
He leaps and twirls with endless cheer, spreading joy for all to hear. His name is Gizmo the gecko, he's a reptile you see.
G is for groovy whilst being goofy.
I'm learning the alphabet, look at me. Learning has never been so easy. Every song teaches me new words.
I sing each letter and brighten my world.
A, B,
See those words will be mine.
D, E, F, I sing and dance.
This is my time.
G, H,
I learn every line.
time to sing, hey! Sing with me the
The
alphabet.
best song you can get.
Letters are fun from A to Z.
Every word means the world to me.
I learn, I dance, I sing along.
Learning letters makes me strong.
Gilly the giraffe, she's a mammal so kind. Gibby the goose, she's a bird you'll find. Goldie the guppy, she's a fish in the sea.
Gizmo the gecko, a reptile full of glee.
Kitty the grasshopper hops with delight. Together they make the alphabet bright. We sing for the letter that sparkles with glee. G is for greatness for you and for me.